Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and finally I've got some fantastic news to share for you because today is a big win for the good guys because Lockbit, one of the most infamous and one of the most destructive ransomware gangs, has been taken down, at least for a while. Now, this comes from the National Crime Agency in the UK, and it says international investigation disrupts the world's most harmful cyber crime group. The National Crime Agency today, Tuesday, 20th of February, revealed details of an international disruption campaign targeting Lockbit, the world's most harmful cybercrime group. Now, if you've never heard of Lockbit before, these guys were a menace. What they did was they weren't your typical ransomware gang that just goes after specific victims and try to encrypt their data and then demand for the ransom. No, what these guys did was they ran something known as the ransomware as a service. So where basically they will create all the tools and codes and resources necessary to carry out an actual ransomware attack, and then they would lease out or give these tools to hackers, they call them affiliates, to now perform the attacks on their behalf. So if these attackers were able to successfully perform the ransomware attack and they got the victim to pay the ransom, Lockbit will then get a commission from that attack. So that's basically what they did. They never went after victims directly by themselves. They simply created the tools, the resources, and then they gave them out to other hackers who are interested in performing ransomware attacks. And I read somewhere that they were able to make over $200 million, and they've infiltrated or targeted nearly 2,000 companies or something like that. Like, insane. They've been operating for many years now, and they've been taken down is definitely a win for the good guys. And it says right here that the NCA has taken control of Lockbit's primary administration environment, which enabled affiliates to build and carry out attacks, and the group's public-facing leak site on the dark web on which they previously hosted and threatened to publish data stolen from victims. Instead, this site will now host a series of information exposing Lockbit's capability and operations, which the NCA will be posting daily throughout the week. And by the way, this whole operation to take down Lockbit was called Operation Kronos. So it's nice to know what the name of the operation was. But if you've tried to visit Lockbit's page on the dark web, this is exactly what you will see. It says the site is now under control of law enforcement. And look, this is a gigantic win. And I know there are people out there who would say, hey, look, it's just a temporary setback, right? You only took down the website. No, they actually took down nearly 30 servers belonging to Lockbit, and they also made multiple arrests. I believe about 2 or 3 people connected with Lockbit have been arrested as well. So make no mistake about this. This is a massive, massive blow to Lockbit. And even if they were to rise up from the ashes, I don't think they will ever be as powerful as they once were, because now the reputation in the dark web has been stained, and there are a lot of people involved with Lockbit who would not want to be involved with Lockbit anymore now that Lockbit have actually been taken down. So regardless of how you want to take a look at this, this is definitely a huge win for the good guys. I mean, personally, I am very, very happy because ransomware is a very, very, very nasty type of cyber attack, and it is a type of attack costing companies billions and billions of dollars each year. So to be able to take down arguably the most notorious of such gangs, this is definitely a huge, massive W in my book. So that's it for today's video. I just wanted to share this good news with you out there, and hopefully we can see more cyber gangs like this being taken out. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with anyone who you may feel might benefit. And what do you think about today's story? Are you happy? I'd love to hear your comments down in the comment section below, and stay safe out there. And of course, I'll talk to you next time. Cheers.